friends, today I did a very special dish of mine, which is red and white sauce with chicken and very nutritious and delicious veggies. So I did this with a very reasonable ingredients which are very reasonably priced, but it is very yummy, very creamy, and it is absolutely like, it's like a dish from the restaurant, and it is very easy. Not very easy, but quite a bit, not such a lengthy process. So it is today my presentation, red and white chicken with nutritious veggies like mushroom, corn and bell pepper. So let's check it out how I make it. Here are the vegetables, very fresh from the market. Corn, I think 1 cup of corn, 1 small cup of corn, 1 bell pepper and 7 to 8 like mushrooms, finely chopped. Then we take a pan, where we put some butter. We finely melt the butter. Slowly the butter is melted in a medium flame. Then we will add some flours, maida or atta, anything. I added atta here, not white flour but normal flour with which we make roti, and in a medium flame, of course, not in a high flame. We'll mix the butter and the flour together, and after that we will put some water into it. Here comes the water. We must see that there is no lumps and mix it very well, so that we get the creamy texture, the delicious creamy texture. And really mix it well and see that there is no together, the maida or atta is not together. I use atta generally. Atta is more healthy than maida. Mix it well. If you find the lumps, then put some more water into it till it get the creamy texture. Put some more water. I had added more water. Actually, I had added literally 6 big cups of water to it, so that it gives me a very smooth texture. So you have to understand how you want the texture, and you have to add water. Here the texture is ready, and we are adding some powder milk, 2 to 3 spoon of powder milk. Then we are mixing it well again. Then we are adding some Szechuan chutney. We'll get it from the supermarket, which is just like this pack cost me 35 rupees, which is very reasonable. Then we add some tomato sauce. We should add 2 to 3 spoon of each, like Szechuan chutney and tomato sauce. Then we add some mayo, veggie mayos to it. It will give a very creamy texture, just like the restaurant, But these ingredients are very reasonable. Each costs like 30, 35 or 15 rupees. So, like that. Then mix it well so the flavor, really dissolve into it, and put the flame into medium. And keep on turning your hands. Then add the veggies, the mushroom, the corn, the bell pepper. Add it well. Then again mix it well. Mix it well under a medium flame. Add some salt. Add some generous amount of herbs, mixed herbs. You can also add some chili flakes or oregano, only oregano, but here I did with mixed herbs because the flavor is more strong with it. Then cover it with the lid and put it for 15 minutes. Just make it boil, make it into boil. Then add some chicken. These are boneless chicken, 250 grams approximately, and I have cut it into small cubes, all the boneless chicken. you know, mix it well. This flavor slowly, turns the chicken, the veggies, all the sauce. The flavor will really turn into a delicious, yummy food. Then put it into boil, add some garlic, add some black pepper, then add some sugar. Then again mix it well. Mix it very well, that mixing is very important, all the flavors together. Then put a lid and make it boil in a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. And let's turn on. Wow, it's amazing. The flavor, the smell is yum. Look at the chicken. Wow. Now I've put it into a bowl. I'm trying it with rice, with hot rice and the hot curry. I'm loving it. I'm really loving the flavor. I'm loving the smell. You can also use herb rice with it. You can also put some spaghetti. You also put some, pasta, and you enjoy the hot steaming juicy curry with the juicy rice. Yum. Aha. Try it yourself.